Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lexus, and on my channel I love posting videos that are related to cooking, beauty, lifestyle, and every now and then something fashion. So welcome. Hope you enjoy. For today's video, we are going to be doing my August Plan With Me video featuring my planner. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure that you're subscribing. We have already met our goal of achieving 200 subscribers by this time of the year. So I want to take it up a notch, and I'm now trying to achieve reaching at least 500 subscribers. Without further ado, let's just get started with the video. Just a quick little reminder, this is the agenda I've been using for this year from the Day Designer Target collection. And this is the weekly format agenda. I absolutely love it, and it's in a mint green color. Again, I have 2 videos already on my channel where I've briefly talked about this in depth with details and feedback, reviews, and also how I like to use it to organize and plan. So if you've not seen those videos, I will have them linked in the description box for you to check out as well. This is what I currently have. It's very plain, as you can see, so I want to definitely fix that up, fill in everything that I need for this month, and also do my key off to the side. We are going to change a couple of things on my key because this is a new month for one. I'm no longer in my summer classes, and then the 2 new classes I'll be starting this month for the fall semester. I'm going to do 2 different color coding colors. Trying to use some of these stickers designed by Amy Tangerine. This was her collection that was at Hobby Lobby that was on clearance that I got a little while ago. They probably don't make this anymore, I'm sure, but yeah, I've not used any stickers out of this, so I want to try to incorporate some of these in my spread. So we'll be using that, and then maybe some stickers out of the Erin Condren sticker book that I still have. And again, I'm just using my PaperMate Ink Joy gel pens that I love.
Take a drive.
To help me keep track, my husband and I use the app called Time Tree in our phones, which is our calendar we put together. So like date nights, all that stuff is in here, and then I like to take this and just transfer any important stuff like appointments and times into my actual handheld planner here.
Best thing in your life. You got me singing. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
now we're going to be taking our stickers out of the Amy Tangerine sticker book, and I'm going to start incorporating some of these onto the monthly spread. Like, I'm going to use the pink ruler because it's August, and I always think of the month of August as a back to school month anyway. So I think I'm going to stick that here, just like that. And then I love that there's a bunch of little like school supply things, so I am going to just kind of stick these around randomly. No particular order.
I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh.
So this is what we have so far, and again, I love the stickers. I love how it came out. It really brought some oomph to my monthly overview spread, but I like it. I think it looks good. And then I forgot about these stickers, which are super cute. I need to get some more from her, but this is an Etsy shop, Lavin Forest. I hope I said that right. But she makes beautiful like women of color stickers, and I just absolutely love them. So I will link her Etsy shop in my description box as well. And then any materials I used, I will link them down below as well in this video.
Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Take a drive.